before you begin. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Allow your body to relax and prepare for this healing journey. Start by taking a deep breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your lungs expand. Hold for a moment at the top, and then exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any tension. With each breath, let your body relax more deeply. Feel your shoulders release, your jaw soften, and your forehead smooth out. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel the ground beneath you supporting you, grounding you into the present moment. Now, let's begin to bring in positive energy. Imagine a warm, glowing light above your head. This light represents pure, positive energy. It's a light full of warmth, love, and vitality. As you breathe in, imagine this light slowly descending toward you. With each inhale, draw the light closer to your body. Feel it gently pouring into the top of your head, filling your mind with clarity and peace. Let it spread down to your neck and shoulders, loosening any lingering tension. With each exhale, release any negativity, fear, or stress that you've been carrying. Let it flow away from you like a cloud, and feel the positive energy replacing it. As the light continues to move down, let it fill your chest. Feel it expand, opening your heart. With each breath, you are inviting love, kindness, and compassion to grow inside of you. Let this energy flow through your arms, filling your hands with warmth. Feel the light move into your stomach, your back, and down into your legs. Every part of your body is now bathed in positive, healing energy. Feel your entire being light up with this energy. It is vibrant, joyful, and expansive. With each breath, you become more alive, more connected to the present moment. Now, I want you to repeat these affirmations silently or out loud, feeling the truth of each one resonate within you. I am open to receiving positive energy. I am worthy of love, happiness, and success. I radiate positivity and light wherever I go. Every cell in my body is filled with vitality and joy. I am grounded, calm, and at peace. I choose to embrace abundance in all forms. Let these words fill your heart and mind. As you repeat them, imagine that every affirmation is becoming a part of your reality. Now, imagine this positive energy has settled into every cell of your being. It's coursing through you like a river of light. Feel it energizing your body, refreshing your spirit, and giving you a deep sense of peace. Know that this positive energy is always available to you, and you can return to this state of relaxation and renewal whenever you need. Take a few moments to bask in this peaceful energy, knowing that you are fully connected to your inner light, and you are aligned with the abundant, positive energy of the universe. As we begin to close this meditation, take a deep breath in. Feel the energy you've cultivated within yourself. With the next exhale, gently bring your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your body if you feel like it. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this positive energy with you throughout your day, knowing that you are filled with light, love, and peace. Thank you so much for joining me in this meditation. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more peaceful content. See you next time.